to our distinguished guests, beloved teachers, parents, friends, schoolmates, and my dear co-graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, a delightful morning. Today is a memorable day for everyone because we have just added an episode in our life. And we are about to start a new chapter of our journey. Our graduation today is the first of the series of accomplishments that we will surely achieve with the guidance of our parents and other people around us. Hence, there is no reason why we should fail in our future endeavors. Of course, we will not be able to reach this stage without the people who help us. To them, we owe a lot of gratitude. No number of words can fully express how much we appreciate what they have done to us. We just hope that we will be able to compensate for all the sacrifices. Our dear teachers, we are so grateful for the knowledge and skills which we have acquired from you. Thank you so much for being supportive and letting us have a dream in our lives. To our parents, who are always with us since our first day in school, we share with you our first taste of victory. There will be more years to struggle, but we are confident that we will triumph because we have parents like you. We cannot give financial or material things at this point. We can only give the joy, happiness, and respect that you deserve. Thank you for being supportive parents. We shall not be here in this world without you. We know the sacrifices you made just to send us to school. To this, we are very grateful. To my Lola, I witnessed your sacrifices and struggle in raising me. Thank you very much. My dear co-graduates, thank you for the good friendship, brotherhood, and fellowship. Let us always remember to dream high and aim for the best. Once again, thank you and congratulations.